Hello guys, today we are going to unbox this iPhone 16. I'm going to peel the edges. It is of bluish color as you can see. This is the latest model of iPhone released in September 2024. So I'm going to peel off the edges, both the edges, and slide the box, slide it upwards. And first you can see the phone itself. This is the blue colored phone, and I'm going to take off this cover from the front screen very slowly and smoothly. Now it's taken off. Now let's see what else is given in the box. So let's put this phone aside and check the contents of the box. There is the USB type C to type C cable and the SIM ejector tool, also some documents, some paperworks, and we don't have the Apple sticker. This Apple sticker has been discontinued from the last model of iPhone, so we have only the cable and the SIM ejector tool. We can take off the SIM ejector tool, and the cable is starting from iPhone 15. The cables are type C to type C, and also there is no Apple sticker in the iPhone box. So let's keep away these things in the box, and let's switch on this iPhone. We have the power button on the side and we have switched it on. The Apple logo is coming. We have the blue colored Apple logo on the back. Now the screen is switching on, indicated by the Apple logo, and let's wait some time for the screen to come. And it should be a setup screen. We need to set up the phone first, because this phone hasn't been switched on earlier. This is the first time we are switching it on, and as you can see, there is hello, namaste, and in different language the phone is welcoming us. And it has a dynamic island on the top instead of that notch which has been discontinued from iPhone 15 onwards. Up to iPhone 14 there was notch. From iPhone 14 Pro itself, the notch has been replaced by the dynamic island. Now we need to set up the phone, and on my right hand there is the phone that I used earlier. I need to transfer data from this old phone to this new phone, and I will do it now. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.